My video is about removing the adware called WirePersonaLTech. WirePersonaLTech is the adware that belongs to the adload family of computer infections. This particular adware, once installed, starts to display a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. And of course, these ads are not related to the sites that you visit. This adware is spread through integration with a lot of free applications. So people often download and install it unintentionally. You need to get rid of this adware by right-clicking on it and moving it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.